Ladies and gentlemen, the American Jury and Bulldog Nation, my son-in-law sent me a text last night asking about, is there a claim if a veterinarian commits malpractice? And I said, yes, there is, but let me explain. So I thought to myself, since all of you have wonderful dogs and cats and other pets that you use the veterinarian services for all the time, I thought I would tell you what the law is as it relates to veterinarian malpractice. First and foremost, to answer the direct question, can you sue a veterinarian who commits malpractice? The answer is yes, technically. Now, what is malpractice? Well, it would be a veterinarian deviating from the standard of care for a veterinarian treating your animal under those circumstances. Gives them the wrong medicine, the dog dies. Does a surgery, screws it up. Now, here is the problem with veterinarian malpractice, although it's great for vets. The reality of it is you are limited to the actual value of your animal. So, for example, if you have a dog that's worth $1,000 and the vet screws up and kills it, the most you're going to get is $1,000. Therefore, you're probably not going to be able to bring a claim because the lawyer would take all your $1,000 just to file the damn thing. Now, if you had an animal that was worth $100,000, like a racehorse, and they screw up, that's a different ball game. Or a champion steer, a bull, or something like that. But the bottom line is you're limited to the actual value of the animal. You're not entitled to the pain and suffering of your pet. So if your dog or cat suffers a lot, sorry, too bad. Feel bad for your animal, but you can't sue for it. In addition to that, you can't sue for your emotional pain. So you can't say, man, I love this animal so much. I'm entitled to $100,000. I'm going to miss Fluffy. Nope, can't do it. So ladies and gentlemen, the American Jury and Bulldog Nation, you can sue a vet for malpractice, for hurting and harming or killing your pet. However, you're limited to the actual value of the animal if it dies. You could probably get damages such as medical or medicine and whatnot that you'd have to give your pet as well. But it's very limited. We get called on this every once in a while, but the bottom line is they're not worth pursuing. This is the Bulldog. Every dog has their day. I wish all of your pets good health.